Okay, hi guys, here we have our Bitcoin chart. So pretty interesting, yeah? Yesterday I presented two scenarios, one bullish and one bearish. Okay, let's take a look at this bearish scenario, yeah? Really nice, right? We have this wedge and then we broke down. This was what I said, right? Really clear, really neat. We have this huge wick here and then bam. Okay, I drawn this. This was exactly what I drawn, and I didn't change it at all. And then we went down. Okay, nice prediction, nice forecast, not a prediction. So what we expect now? We have retraced to this region here. If we are to consider this a bullish retracement, yeah. If we are to consider within this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this motive impulse wave 1, okay. It has not been invalidated yet, okay. This is an ABC, this is a C wave, this is a 30, 80, 20% retracement for a wave 4. It's okay. That was what I said. Now this really bad draw RSI here. This is not really working. This is no. This is not cool. Let me draw it here. Yes, this is my. Yeah, I draw this way because we have yet to. If Bitcoin has not touched this this line here, and if it touch, it might have a retracement. So we might go. If it touch it, we might see a reaction, a strong reaction up. Okay, so this is a line where I'm drawing, considering the lowest point of the RSI. Okay, touch here, reaction, touch here, reaction, and if it touch here, I expect a reaction, right? So this is what I'm gonna wait to enter. Okay, to enter along, for instance. I'm gonna be paying attention. So perhaps wave 4, if we are to label this as a wave 4 or a wave 1 going down, and then I would get it to long a little bit with a tight stop loss to retrace to wave 2. Not the smartest move ever, I know, because I'm trading against the trend. Okay, but this is me. Sometimes I do stupid things, but I am conscious that I'm doing so. So this is what I'm saying, okay. This bullish scenario is not. I like it, okay. I see a channel here. It's pretty clear. Let's draw a channel here. Why not? Yeah, we get the 1, the 3. The 3 haven't touched it, and the proposed 5, and draw all the way back to 2 here. Yeah, the median line has played pretty well, yeah, separating the movement. Here is acting as support, and now it's gonna act as a resistance. Okay, this is a channel. This is nice. I like the way that it looks. It hasn't been invalidated so far. Okay, some people don't draw a channel like this. This I consider bull wicks, perhaps, or I can draw it a little bit like this. Okay, or I can draw it like this. Okay, if you go to higher time frames, you're gonna see that you don't have this. Okay, you don't have those. The channel is gonna be, but this is okay. This is not breaking the channel. This is going. Those are bull wicks that trying to, but not really. Then we have our wave 3, then breaking the median line here, we trace it to 20% to go up again, if this is valid, if and only if. Okay, this is my bearish count. If we consider this, yes, if we consider this as valid, okay, remember this is an expanded triangle, A, B, C, then I would have a D here. Challenge this low here, so we would have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, C. So to have a D here, we would have a B, C, challenging this low here. Okay, probably a zigzag. It remains to be seen. Remains to be confirmed. I do think that if we do see this, if this happens, we're gonna need to wait need to wait for this and this. This looks like a diagonal, right? Perhaps an extended one. Perhaps a longer A. So something like this doesn't need to be a diagonal. Okay, then we have our retracement B, and then we're going to see to challenge, to break, to have a new low. Okay, remains to be seen, but as an expanded triangle we need to have this movement here. Okay, triangles usually we have this, right? And this. I'm sorry, let me put this thing here. It's gonna be easier to see. Yeah. And then you have the pattern A, B, C, D, E, for instance. And then you have a series of lower highs and higher lows. Okay. What is my ABCD? Right, okay. Here it is. A, B, C, D, E. Let me show it. Okay. There it is. Nice. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, squeezing the price, and then what happens here is that we break down. Okay, normally when we have the E here at the top of this of the triangle, ending here at the end, at the apex here, we go down. That's what happens when you see the opposite, E finishing here. Okay, like this. A, B, C, D, and E. What we see is the opposite. Okay, this thing going up, like this. Okay, simple. So an expanded triangle or an inverted triangle, it's different. It's the opposite. Okay. What we have is that we have this instead, okay, and it's like a wedge. Okay, in this case it's like a wedge, right? We have our A. Okay, I'm gonna just draw A. So A going up. Okay, A going up. A. Then we have our B. Our B is, you see, our B is lower than the initial point. Then we have a C, higher than A. Then we have a D, lower than B. Then we have a E. And if this is what's going on here, okay, A. So here we have our B, lower than the initial point. Here we have our initial point. Then we have our C here, okay, like this, okay, higher than the initial point. Then we're gonna have a D here. This is our D, okay. all of those correction waves ABC, okay? All those impulse waves composed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, A, B, C, D. So that's where we have our A, B, C aqui. Here we have our D, okay? Our D. I'm not D. This. Why I don't use the normal tool, right? Why I just want to be different. This is our D, like here, okay? D. Then we would have a higher high, okay? We would challenge this C here. We would have a E, and then down, okay? It would go down. This down here would be our. This would be our wave Y or wave Z, depending on how you see the whole picture, okay? If this is what's going on, we would see a really low 3K to 2500 here, okay? If this is in play, okay, I don't know yet, okay? If this is in play, this is what we have, an ABC now to correct it to a lower low, lower than B, okay? So we need to challenge this B to it must be lower, okay? I don't know how much exactly, okay? But we need to put an A here to start making some polite guesses, okay? Making some guesses to where C might land if we are to put an A here, okay? This is my bearish count, okay? And it is possible, okay? This RSI is gonna act as a resistance. We're gonna break it eventually, but not now. We're gonna take days, weeks. We're gonna break up, I mean, right? And then we're gonna go down again, D, and then we're gonna have an E. E is gonna be okay. If we are in a bearish market and this is a D, all the analysts are gonna say, hey, this is okay, we are out of the hole here. This is our bottom, we are going up. Hey, yes, and this is a wave. That's the problem, guys. You need to keep in mind that if this is the bottom and we have an E here, no, this is not the bottom. This is a wave E and we are going down. We are dumping hard here. Okay? This is gonna be a zigzag or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is not gonna be this is gonna be higher than C, but we have an expanded triangle. It's a really complex correction, but it's here. It's possible. Okay. I'm presenting the bearish scenario. I'm explaining it. I'm presenting both together, for then you can compare it and see what you think is it's plausible. Yes, this is my bullish scenario. So, which one do you think is gonna play? I don't know. We need to wait. Now it's a time for us. I recommend, at least me personally, I'm gonna be out of trading now. I'm gonna be waiting. Okay, I'm gonna be waiting. I don't go to lower time frames. I just keep myself here out of the market, okay, analyzing, seeing other some outs, okay. And remember, the one thing that I must say is that we are in this is the daily, okay. We have broken the 21 EMA resistance. We are now down here. And then we have this engulfing candle, right? This is a huge. We finished the day we haven't finished the day yet, but this look pretty bearish for me. Yeah? We have broken the 21 EMA, but we haven't finished yet. I don't know if we have. Let me. I'm sorry. Let me reload this just to see. If you follow me on Twitter, you're gonna see that I have posted some BTC and EOS charts. I am really interested in EOS, okay? And we have retraced to this position, to this low here, right? To the almost touching 80-70. Yeah, pretty low. But we have some signs here. We have the MACD turning upwards. This is a 1 hour chart, so I am not in a position. Okay, I have drawn this support line. We broke it. Now it's like a resistance, but we have this region here that I'm gonna wait. If we break it up with a lot of volume, I'm gonna wait for a retracement and I'm gonna enter along, and then my bullish count is gonna be it's gonna be on the table again. Now, for now, I am more inclined to be out of the market. Okay. But it's not. Anyway, if we put the EMA here, you're gonna see that it's pretty nasty, bearish crossing here. Okay, crossing. This was our EMA act. This was our bullish moment here, but this is 1 hour EMA again. A double top here, bearish, the ABC. Okay, if this is indeed an ABC, okay, then we have a 2 here. Be a 1 2, then we need to put a 3. Okay, but the EMA is not telling us this. The MACD, we have a touch here, which can be something like this. Okay, something like a little bit, but then down again. I'm not saying that this is going to the upside here, it's gonna break this median line here and going up. No, we might remain here in the downside, in the bearish side of the MACD. And RSI is really low, pretty low, right? We are resting here at the 30 RSI, and this is 1 hour. Huh? So I'm not gonna enter a position either here. Yeah? And we are going down. So yes, this is what I need. Yes, we haven't finished 21 EMA, and we broke this resistance. Bearish signs. All the play. Everywhere you look, you see bears. But we have some hope. Yeah. We have a possible bullish count here. We need to take into account all the possible scenarios. So why not? Yes. Keep in mind though that we have this expanded triangle here, as I said yesterday, and it played really nicely. If you haven't watched my video yesterday, I really recommend you guys to watch it. It's gonna be here. Because it played exactly like I said. Yes, the volume of buyers was declining, and then it was obvious that we would have a week like this in rejection, total rejection, going down. Okay, I think that this is enough for a Bitcoin update. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, suggestions, whatever, please tell me. Like and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. All the support is welcome. Okay, guys, you are my channel, not me. Thank you very much, and we see each other on next one. Bye.